Everybody, welcome along. Beautiful Sunday today. So I'm out and about, still running the engine in. 400 plus miles done now. Just been up Box Hill, Rikers Cafe, just to check out the bikes. It was packed for today. So today, just going to talk about something quickly on this Aprilia RS660 factory 2025-2026 model, and that's just a guide on the cruise control. So stick around, I'll tell you all about it. So there's a couple of parameters for the cruise control. The first one is minimum of third gear, and the second one is minimum speed of, I think it's 23 miles an hour. So once you reach third gear, minimum 23 miles an hour, the cruise control becomes operational. There isn't a signal on the dash to tell you that it's available. But you can put it on, and on the control column here, there isn't a designated button anymore. So it used to be on top here, but they removed it. So now what you do is you hold down the left button and you'll see on the dash that cruise control starts flashing. So that means it's ready to arm. So yeah, so I'm in third gear, I'm within the speed range. So cruise control is flashing, press left arrow again, and it goes solid. So now I'm on cruise control, and I can use the up and down controls to turn the speed slower going down or faster going up. So yeah, runs very smoothly. To disengage it, all you do is pull in the clutch, pull the brake, either brake, or you use the quick shifter becomes inoperable whilst you're in cruise control. You can only change gear by pulling in the clutch, which will disengage the cruise control. So if you want to speed up and your revs are getting high, you want to change gear, then you change gear upwards. It will disengage the cruise control, but then you literally just press left again and it will turn it back on. So I'm just coming up to a roundabout now, so I'm just going to pull my front brake. There you go, it's disengaged, back to flashing. Drop down a gear, round the roundabout, up to speed again, press left, back on cruise, and then just nudge it up to 40 miles an hour, which is the speed limit here. So super easy to use. Took me a while to figure it out because there isn't a button with the universal cruise control sign stamped on it, and they'd removed the button from the top here on the old version of this bike. But yeah, once you know, you're never going to forget. So here, if I want to just change up to fourth gear, there we go, it's taking me off cruise control. Flashing still, so I can just press left and it's back on, just on a higher gear now. So yeah, I hope this helps anyone that's stuck or just wants to know about this bike. Do like and subscribe, helps the channel grow, and I'll be posting loads more content soon. So thanks for watching, have a great day, all the best.